I know with AI coming in, right, it'll be a lot more predictive.
So it will be, I guess, something more conversational. And ask what we want to update. It will give us some hints of maybe what we can improve on our design.
It's going to almost predict what I want.
It'd probably be able to guess like every next step I was going to do.
Imagine it would be much more intuitive and kind of gesture-based and kind of Minority Report style, building in the air, kind of a VR component, right? But I think that's probably where it's all going.
Even this year, we're seeing a more simplified user interface, and it's getting a lot of AI-driven command anticipation for you. So how good will that prediction be in the future? Probably really great, and I wonder how much more of our screen space we'll be able to dedicate just to exactly what you're doing.
I think in the future of SOLIDWORKS, it would definitely be an integration with AI.
Seems like AI is a big focus, so I don't even know exactly how the applications of that are going to affect it at that point. But I'm guessing it will be a lot faster to make these parts, especially more simple parts, and kind of take out some of that base level design and allow the engineers to do more of the building on top of that, rather than some of those basic sketches, and give you that starting point that's a little further down the path.
I think we'll just be talking to it, and it will infer what we want, and it'll generate pretty close to what we anticipate.
In terms of having just a companion there to help you design, not do the work for you, but it's sort of, you look at sci-fi movies and you've got that AI assistant there that you can go to and say, today we're going to model this and help me, and they can provide like useful insights into it and things. I think that would be really cool to add.